This is my chicken sukka. This is hot, this is tangy, and it's so nutty. This is such a flavorful southern beauty and it's party winner. Let's get it done. In a pan, roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds, few cloves, black peppercorns, cinnamon, and a few dry chilies, fenugreek seeds, and fennel seeds. Now dry roast these on a low to medium flame until you get a nice aroma. Now after a couple of minutes, add a few garlic cloves and a touch of oil. Now fry the spices with garlic for another couple of minutes. And now add freshly grated coconut. Now gently toast the coconut on a medium to low flame until you get a nice brown color. Keep stirring, you want to evenly brown the coconut. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes and then you have a nicely aromatic, coconutty spice mix ready for your chicken sukka. Now after 5 to 6 minutes you have evenly browned coconut spice mix ready. Now take the spice mix out of the pan right away. Once the spices have cooled down, put them in a blender jar. Put a little warm water in it. Put the lid on and grind it into a paste. Like this. Now slice a few red onions. And slice a few green chilies. Now in the same pan add coconut oil and let it heat up. Now fry the onions until it starts to get a brown tinge. After a few minutes add sliced green chilies and a few curry leaves. Now fry these for a couple of minutes. Now for my chicken sukka, I've taken chicken thighs and I've cut them into small pieces. But you can cook your chicken sukka with any part of chicken, with or without bones. And once your onion gets a nice brown tinge, add your chicken in the pan. Give it a stir and sear your chicken on a high flame for about a couple of minutes. And once your chicken is nicely colored and seared, at this stage, put the gas setting to lowest and add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Give it a stir and fry these on a low setting for about 30 to 40 seconds. And now add the spice paste. Give it a stir. Deglaze pan with some warm water. And now season this chicken sukka with some salt and give it a stir. Now cooking the chicken sukka on a medium flame for about a couple of minutes. Now put the gas setting on lowest and cover with the lid and let it simmer on a gentle flame for about 5 minutes. Now open the pan and check the doneness of your chicken sukka. It's nearly done and it's so succulent, it's so soft and juicy. At this stage, I'm going to add tamarind pulp in it. This is the fresh tamarind. You can buy them from the shops and dip it in a warm water and you will have a nice pulpy tamarind ready to go in your curries, and that's the best way to use tamarind. The tamarind goes in along with a few curry leaves and freshly grated coconut. Now put the gas setting to the medium again and give it a stir and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. You want to dry the moisture as much as possible and still keeping the chicken moist and juicier. Now this is the perfect consistency of chicken sukka. It's got enough moisture going on, but if you want you can add a little bit of water to make it a little bit saucier. In about 2 to 3 minutes your chicken sukka is ready.